Hello. Hi. Are you ready to eat? Today, we are going to learn all about first words at mealtime. Grown-ups, mealtimes is one of the best times to help your baby build their speech. In today's video, we're going to keep it slow, simple, and repetitive. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Eat, eat, eat. Can you say eat? Eat. Apple, 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 apple. Banana, 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 banana. Yogurt, 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 yogurt. Berries, 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 berry, berry, berry. Cereal, 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 cereal. Cheese, 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 cheese. Cracker, cracker, cracker. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat crackers and cheese. I like to eat crackers and cheese. I like to eat cookies and milk. I like to eat cookies and milk. Great job! I'm so proud of you. Apple. Say apple. Apple. Let's eat the apple. Nom nom nom. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Berry, berry. Can you say berry? Berry. Let's eat the berry. Yummy. Banana. 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 Let's eat the banana. Peel the banana. Yummy! This is the way we eat our food, eat our food, eat our food. This is the way we eat our food, yummy, yummy, yum. This is the way we drink our drink, drink our drink, drink our drink. This is the way we drink our drink, yum, yum, yum. This is the way we say more please, say more please, say more please. This is the way we say more please, yum, yum, yum. This is the way we say all done, say all done, say all done. This is the way we say all done, yummy, yum, yum. Spoon. 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 Can you say spoon? We use our spoon to eat. Yummy. Spoon. Cup. 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 Can you say cup? Cup. We use our cup to drink. Bowl. 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 We use our bowl to hold our food. Let's put our food in our bowl. Let's put the banana in. Put it in. Apple. Let's put our apple in. Put it in. Berry. Let's put our berry in the bowl. Put it in. Good job. We put our food in the bowl. Milk. 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 Water. 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 Cookie. 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 Grapes. 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 Please and thank you, please and thank you for my food, for my food. Thank you for my apple, thank you for my berries. Yum, 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 yum. Please and thank you, please and thank you for my food, for my food. Thank you for my crackers. Thank you for my cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Please and thank you, please and thank you for my food, for my food. Thank you for my yogurt, thank you for my cereal. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. Hot, 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 hot. Cold, 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 cold. More, more, more. Please, please, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All done, all done, all done. More milk, more milk, more water, more water. High chair, climb up high. High chair, it's time to try. Strap, strap, snap it tight. Now we're ready for a bite. Spoon in the bowl, food on the tray. High chair, let's eat today. Let's review. Eat, eat. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. More, more. All done, all done. Milk, milk. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Good job! You did a wonderful job learning all of your first words for mealtime. I'm so proud of you. Grown-ups, remember that consistency is key. Practice, practice, practice. Your babies will pick up on these words, and one day they will start doing the signs and will be able to communicate with you with less frustration and more fun. I can't wait to see you next time. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss another episode of Pre-K with Kristen, where learning is always fun. I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, friends. Bye, friends.